Step 1. Brainstorming. This step will help you come up with lots of ideas about a topic. For this project, your challenge is to make a 60-second cell film about your experiences during the pandemic. This could mean different things for different people. There is no right or wrong answer. We want to know what you think. We want to know how you see it. Take a few minutes to scribble some notes about your experiences during the pandemic. What is happening in your life? What topics or issues do you think are important? What story do you want to tell? Don't hold back during this step. Include all your ideas. This is your brainstorm. It is just for you. If you don't want to write or draw your ideas, you can also brainstorm by talking to your friends or family. You can decide later what ideas and experiences you choose to share. After you feel like you have enough ideas, choose a few that you want to focus on in your cell film. The next clip will help you decide how you want to protect your privacy in your cell film.